up, guys? Painting a couple jigs today, so I figured I'd go ahead and do a video showing how I paint my jigs, jig heads, spoons, whatever. I got my flow cup here. Some people call it fluid base, fluid cup, whatever. It's an air pump coming into a regulator here. There's a paper filter, and then my powder coat from there up. Get my jig a little hot. I dip it in there, get a nice coating on them, and then I use brushes to put a little bit of sprinkle, little accent colors on them. Here we go. Yeah, this is one of my favorite jigs right here, using here in Destin. Catch pompano, Spanish mackerel, sheep's head, snapper, pretty much anything really. Yeah. Trout, redfish. Redfish love them in the flats every now and again. Oh yeah. Do a little bit of pink bottom on this one. Always gotta poke that guide out, guys. If you don't poke out that hook eye, you'll be regretting it later. That's for sure. This stuff is super strong once it cures. It's that simple, guys.